Digital television. For more information on how to prepare your TV set, call 1-877-DTV-5353 or visit www.dtv.gov. If you get TV by cable or satellite, please contact your service provider directly.
Okay, I got some good news and I have some bad news. Which news do you want to hear first?
Bad news.
Okay, bad news it is. Serious face. According to my sources,
Who are your source is?
my Fox Dallas, after February 17th, 2009.
When?
Are you listening? Well, I'm gonna need for you to listen. Get a pen and paper or take a mental note, do something.
Hold on
Wait.
here. Hold on here.
I'll wait.
I'm straight.
Okay. After February 17th, 2009, full power television stations will broadcast in digital only.
I ain't got digital only.
Okay, well, you need to look into getting a TV converter box. And you can pick that up at your local electronics store or online retailer.
Hey Sammy, how do I know whether I need a converter?
Well, you're okay if you have television sets connected to cable, satellite, or other paid TV services. But if you're still using rabbit ears
Like me,
or a rooftop antenna for reception,
like my cousin.
you guys are probably gonna have to get a converter.
Aw, ain't this about a
But I have some good news. Okay, so basically, Talk on the Walk has always been digital. We've been using digital cameras, digital camcorders, digital photos. We love Jamie Foxx Digital Girl. We've been digital all up in that thing. Hey, Avante, big shout outs. So, to get digital with Talk on the Walk, you can go to www.talkonthewalk.com, where you can hang out with the latest social network physically and virtually. You want to give him a sample of that new song you made up on stage today here at Texas Southern University?
Fuck that job. I need my job. Fuck that job. I need my job.
Bitch, I know how to act.
See, that's what I'm talking about. You can't do that.
She's so goddamn ghetto.
You can't do that.
Fuck that job, ho. You don't need no job, bitch. Fuck that pussy job, ho. We got jobs at the hood. Fuck that job.
I need my job.
Fuck your job.
I need my job.
Fuck that job.
I need my job.
Behind the camera shook his head, he could feel it. Did you see the camera go up and down? You did? You do? I feel it too.
Talk on the wall.